Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing. I'm going to show you all of the items that were in the February box, their prices, how much they're worth, my overall rating for the box. You know, do I like it? Was it a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, or 5? Or where does it stand? That's going to be it. I am so sorry that I have not uploaded a video in so long, but my life has been crazy since the last video that I posted, but crazy in a good way. You know, the holidays came and they passed by, and right before Christmas, I was told at work, hey, you're getting promoted for the position that you interviewed. And I was like, oh my God, yay. And it's like 2 weeks before Christmas. And then I had to start doing all of my commuting to the hotel and to the training where I'm staying at. And I'm doing this for 4 months. So we're in the middle of February. I will be done in the beginning of April. So I apologize in advance for future videos that you guys see. I started carrying all of my vlogging stuff with me. So there's probably gonna be horrible lighting like this. And I do apologize for that, but I'm gonna try to be posting more consistently. I feel so horrible, and I'm like, great, I started this channel and I haven't posted in like 2-3 months. That's ridiculous. And I am so sorry, but it will get better, I promise. I hope you guys enjoy this, and let's get straight to the video. Hey everyone, welcome back. I know I've been a little bit MIA, but I'm here today with a new video, and today we're going to be going over Boxycharm, the February box. So let me tell you what's inside. This month, what I personally got was the Kate Somerville KX Active Concentrates Biomimicking Peptide Serum. So it's this guy. Sorry. It says it was specially formulated, this highly active concentrate to transform dual sagging skin into visibly firmer, smoother, refreshed looking skin. So I'm very excited. I'm traveling a lot right now for work, so I know this is going to be useful. I haven't tried it yet, but I like the packaging of this. Is that weird? And it's heavy. Is that weird that I like this? But anyways, this is item number 1. This alone is 98 bucks. How insane is that? The next item that I got were the Alamar Cosmetics Complexion Brush Trio. So they're vegan and cruelty free, and it's a complexion brush, a bronzer brush, and a brightening brush. These total for $36, and they look like this, which I think they are beautiful. They're so soft, they feel great. This one for the bronzer, I don't know if you guys can look at the shape of that. It threw me off at first. Sorry, I've used them already. It threw me off at first, and I was like, how is that gonna blend in my bronzer? But actually, it's done a phenomenal, it's done a great freaking job, and I really like the bronzer one. This one for brightening underneath the eyes, I really like it. I think it does a job. It fits perfectly right underneath, and it sets amazing. So I really like this guy too. This one, the complexion brush, I really don't know what they mean for that, by that, but I used this as blush the other day and it worked amazing. And then I also used it to blend out a bronzer, and it worked out pretty freaking great as well. So this I really like too. And they're great brushes, and these alone were 36 bucks again, but they're awesome. I like them. The next thing I got was the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder, which is this little guy right here. I don't think there's much to see. Excuse my nails, sorry. Whoops. But it says it's long lasting. It's a coconut setting powder. Finely milled, lightweight loose powder, smooths over makeup for a crease-free, soft focus finish with no flashback. I haven't tested this yet just because I'm very weird about setting powders. I like my e.l.f. HD powder that cost me like a few bucks, and I use that a lot. The smell of this though, it smells like coconut, but it's not overpowering like, oh my god, you're gonna smell like a pina colada or coconut something. you know, when you walk out. So it's not too bad. It's actually okay. And I don't even like coconut, but I don't mind it. And this setting powder is 22 bucks. Then we've got First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. So it's a daily treatment pad that contains the right amount of lactic and glycolic acids to safely and effectively exfoliate, tone, and brighten all skin types. Regular use of these pads will smooth the skin's texture, providing the perfect canvas for flawless makeup application. And there you have them, Facial Radiance. Again, I haven't used these either, but I'm excited, and I will tell you why in a bit. But next, we have the Evio Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes that look, am I holding it the right way? Yeah, that look like this. They're biodegradable, great for the environment, cool. And they're made with hemp fibers to cleanse skin, remove waterproof makeup, and keep skin hydrated. And the cannabis sativa seed oil to reduce inflammation and avoid irritation. These are 10 bucks. You get 15 of them, which is great for me right now because I'm traveling. So I've been using these and I actually really do like these. God, this now is just biting me, but I really like them. The only thing that freaks me out a little bit is I feel like they're a little bit too soapy, if you know what I mean. So when you put it and you rub it, you can see like the soapiness. I don't know if that's just me. Maybe it's just giving me a deeper cleanse on my face with a wipe, but it freaks me out and it looks so oily. Holy moly. I've had on my makeup all day, you guys. This is my makeup from this morning. It's been a long day. It's 6:36 in the afternoon. I've been awake since like 5:30. So it's been quite a bit. But yeah, these are the Boxycharm items. So if you add everything together, it's over 25 bucks. That's what the box costs now per month. Again, this thing alone, this it was $98. That's insane. But that's it to the box. So I feel my items this month were good. I like the skincare, I like the brushes, and I like the cleansing wipes. What would I rate it overall? I think my least favorite thing was probably the setting powder, but I would give it like a 4.5. I liked it. Again, I still need to try the Kate Somerville. I don't know how that works, but again, it's skincare and I'm excited because I've been traveling a lot for work. I'm currently doing some training, so I've been staying in a hotel, hence the weird stuff, hence the horrible lighting that you're gonna get in this video. But I think it's great because I can use them, I can travel with them, and my skin needs it. All this traveling back and forth. I'm here Monday through Friday at the hotel, and then I go home Friday night, come back Sunday night. So it's been hard, but I'm excited. The training is good, and I think that's it though for this Boxycharm video. All right, everyone, so there you have it. You saw all the reviews. I told you what I like, what I was excited about, what I really wasn't. If you guys have any comments, or if you tried any of these products, leave it down below in the description. Wait, that's my job. Just leave it down below in the comments. Let me know if you like them, and you know, I'll let you guys know my review too and see what I think of them so far. Again, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and don't forget to follow me on Insta and Snapchat. Handle is Recklessq. I'll type it around the video somewhere so you guys can see it. But thanks again, you guys, for watching. I love you guys. Bye.